In this experiment, we will study the release of energy from food by burning. First, add water to a boiling tube until it is about 1/3 full. Fix it on the stand with a clamp. Insert a thermometer into the water and fix it on another stand. Record the temperature of the water. Then, put a peanut on a burning spoon and heat it with a Bunsen flame. When the peanut starts burning, move the burning spoon to the bottom of the boiling tube. Record the temperature of the water when the peanut is completely burned. How does the temperature of the water change? In this experiment, when the peanut is burned in air, its stored chemical energy is changed to heat energy and light energy. The water in the boiling tube gains heat energy from the burning peanut, so the temperature of the water increases.